Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a print button in Excel that prints your sheet with just one click. Okay, let's say we want to add an automatic print button on this sheet. First, just go to the Insert, then click Shapes, and choose any button shapes that you like. I want to choose this one. And then once you have added the shapes, just right click on it and select Edit Text, and then type Print. Like this, and then just customize the look to make it more creative. After that, just right click the shapes again and select Assign Macro. When the Assign Macro window pops up, give your macro a name. For example, I will give it a name like this, and then click New. Then type this code: Active Sheet Print Out, like this, and then just close the editor when you're done. And before testing the button, let's set the print area. Just highlight the area that you want to print, and then go to the Page Layout tab, and then click on Print Area and set Print Area. After that, now press Ctrl+P to preview. And here you can choose your printer, or if you want to save it as a PDF, just select Print to PDF, like this. And you can also adjust the orientations or paper size, even a margins. And now let's try the button. Just click it, and as you can see, the PDF save windows pops up. That means the button works. And to save this file and keep the button working in the future, just go to the Save As and choose your locations. And on the Save As type, just select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, this one, and then give it a name, and then click Save. And you're done. Your print button is ready to use anytime. This one. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.